The All Jaiñtia Midday Meal Workers Union, Jaiñtia Hills, has decided to boycott the upcoming 2023 Assembly polls if the centre and the state government fail to enhance their honorarium from Rs 1,000 to Rs 5,000. The union are holding a hunger strike at Nongthamai Sports Club football ground today to urge upon the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for enhancement of their honorarium. They also maintain that the honorarium should be released within the 10th of every month, even as they ask the government to provide LPG connection to all PM Poshant kitchens in schools. Talking to reporters, a union member, A. Latan, said that majority of cooks who are preparing nutritional and hygiene food for the students in various schools are single mothers, and it has become extremely difficult for them to take care of their families with the current meagre amount.
This hunger strike today, so please PM Modi sir, please help us because we only 1,000 we cannot survive much of children. Then please raise from 1,000 to 5,000 only. Then many women here, but how can they manage the children? Only 1,000. But some cook they lost her husband, but some their husband did not live with her.
Assam Rifles has